Hi guys, today I'm doing this one a little bit differently. Today I'm actually sitting down. Today I want to actually talk to you about what drives me so that it may give you something that you can use to drive yourself. I love helping people. I know it sounds like a real cliche and it comes across as something a little bit sickening at times. I know when I hear people say that, I normally switch off straight away. So if you switch off now, I understand completely. But one of my biggest drivers in life is trying to make a difference with people. Okay? One of the reasons I became a teacher was because that I wanted to make a real difference in people's lives. Not just some fluffy little thing, but actually make a real substantial difference. Now that's what drives me. The learning, the growing, the developing that I do so that I can not only make my life better, but I can do it so I can help other people. Now, for me, helping other people is a real driver. It motivates me. I get more motivated helping other people than I do trying to motivate myself to help myself. Okay? Watching people grow, seeing the lights turn on in their eyes as they get something, as they get knowledge and they move forward, that's a real driver for me, and it really pushes me hard. And I love being there, seeing people grow. And I love knowing that I can be that difference. And that's why I got into mentoring, why I'm moving out of teaching into my own business where I can actually be working with people to help them grow and develop. That to me is more important. I think I can have a greater impact on people through my own business than I ever could through the education system. There's nothing wrong with the education system. I'm not here to fool you about that one. The education system is important, but for me, helping people to grow, develop, and become leaders themselves, moral authority leaders, is really important. It's through our own personal growth that we can change the world by changing us first. And that's what I want to help people do. That's what I want to help me do, to help other people do, and so forth. Now, if that's something you're passionate about, then I beg you, go out and start learning. Start growing, start developing. Become somebody of influence so that you can make a positive impact. There's a lot of negativity out there from a lot of other people. We need voices who are positive, who are passionate, and willing to go and go and go so that we get the change in the world that's needed. Okay? 2020 has been a real hard year for a lot of people. It's going to get a lot harder over the next couple of years. So we need people who are prepared to step up and help take society in the right direction. You don't need to become a world leader to do that. You just need to make a difference to you and to a handful of people around you who can then go on to make a difference to a handful of people around them. It's simple and it's easy. So that's where I come from. That's what my driver, that's my main focus, is helping people. And I love helping people. So if you love helping people, maybe we should actually talk one day. All right. Have a great day.